Yes, might actually pity, but the issue is that or the honest truth is that every equipment, every appliances in a household requires a maintenance. For example, if you cook, after cooking or after using the pot, what do? You wash the pot. That is called maintenance. Same thing applicable to all equipment, all electronic in your household. For example, let me say for your television in the house, when last you remove it and clean the back, you check the back is filled with dust, and those dust restrict airflow to cool the board, and it could possibly cause fire. Same thing applicable to AC. When that last did you wash your condenser, flush that condenser against dust? You know, the issue is that we lack maintenance culture. We lack maintenance culture. We only do breakdown maintenance. We don't do preventive maintenance. So please, all the appliances in your household requires a maintenance. For this particular one or this AC, if there are some things you on your own can do it without waiting for AC technician. If you don't know, can drop me or DM me. I can guide you on small basic maintenance that you can do on your AC to avoid this kind of thing. It's a pity to do. Please, let's stick to maintenance culture. It will help us a lot on appliances. Thank you.